1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. Social media influencer of what type? Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew chapter 5, verse 16, New King James Version. Social media has become part of the homes of people internationally and in all ages of society. People use it to gain influence in this world. They do it through fashion reviews, do-it-yourself tips, gossip, lewdness, and all types of vulgar language and deeds shameful to repeat. Unfortunately, if we are not careful, we will follow these same trends. But we as Christians do not have to do these things online or in private. We are the ones to set the standard for morality and promote Christ instead. Let's remember these things because every post can impact someone else's life, especially if they look up to you. Let's impact them, but in positive ways. Let's be different from the world because we were not made to conform to the world. Romans chapter 12, verse 1 and verse 2. We were made to show them Christ in the things we do and lead them to Jesus for salvation. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.